Today we have a new challenge. We have to fix this broken function right here that returns a planet name based on the ID that you give in. It looks like a so-called switch case statement, like you have in JavaScript or C++. But yeah, let's try to fix it. Here we are at the code editor, and what I want to say up front is that you don't have really a switch case statement like you have in JavaScript or C++ in Python. So what I want to do instead is to create a dictionary. So let's remove the first lines here. I want to create a dictionary because it serves the same purpose as a switch case statement in the sense that you give in a key from 1 till 8, and based on the key, it will return a value. So let's start off with the syntax. You only need one keyword, the dictionary name, and then we have to assign the key value pairs, and the key value pairs have to be embraced in curly braces, like this. The keys are actually only integers, so we can remove all the cases here. The values are just separated from the key by the colon, so we can remove the name. And lastly, we have to place a comma after every value to separate the key value pairs. There we have it, our dictionary is complete, so let's try to call a value based on the key. We can use the built-in get method for that. And then we only have to give in the key. And now we only have to call the function. So print get planet name. Yeah, I want to call Venus, so we can replace this 2 by the actual argument because we pass it in here. And there we have it. And to drive this home, you mostly have a default value in the switch case statement to catch all the conditions that are not defined explicitly, like here. In such exceptions, you would return something like, please put something in from 1 till 8. If you want to build in a catch all condition like this, you can actually put it in the get function right here. Just put it here after the comma. And if I put something in like 22, it will return the string. But this actually applies to any input. Let's put in random string, and you get the same result. So let's test it out. And there we go.